Hello, Ilgar. Greetings to you from your fellow directors of the Schools of Political Studies, and from me personally, and from the Moscow School of Political Studies, which is now stopped.
From Montenegro, where we have our meeting this week, we just want to know that we miss a lot you.
We are doing our best to get you out of the prison where you are being illegally detained.
The Council of Europe has told Azerbaijan you must be released.
The European Parliament has taken up your case.
The European Court of Human Rights says you are a political prisoner.
The Council of Europe has told to Azerbaijan government that you have to be released.
But the Azeri authorities are stubbornly refusing to comply with Strasbourg Court's ruling. We will miss you.
Sadly, Azerbaijan continues to jail journalists, human rights activists and opposition leaders.
Harassment, bullying and intimidation, as you well know, are the order of the day in Baku.
We will not forget you.
We will not allow the European authorities to forget you either.
Both you, your wife and your family are in our thoughts.
We look forward to the day when Azerbaijan will respect its obligations to the Council of Europe and, above all, to the Azerbaijani people.
All the directors send you greetings from Budva. Be well and healthy. Hopefully this will end soon.